We're going to explain how to adjust the brightness on your Nvision monitor. There are typically two main ways to do this: using the on-screen display, OSD buttons on your monitor itself, and using your computer's display settings. Let's start with the monitor's buttons. 1. Locate the buttons on your Nvision monitor. These are usually small buttons on the front, bottom, or side of the monitor. They might be labeled with symbols or have very small text. 2. Press the power button once to make sure your monitor is turned on. 3. Find the button that accesses the on-screen display, OSD menu. This is often marked with a menu icon or the word menu. Press this button. 4. Once the OSD menu appears on your screen, use the other buttons to navigate through the menu options. You'll likely see options like brightness, contrast, input source, etc. 5. Use the arrow buttons to select brightness or a similar option. 6. Use the plus or buttons or arrow buttons to increase or decrease the brightness level to your preference. 7. Once you've set the brightness to your liking, press the Enter or OK button to save the changes and exit the OSD menu. Now, let's look at adjusting brightness through your computer's settings. This method varies slightly depending on your operating system. For Windows 1, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. 2. In the Display Settings window, you'll find a slider or a numerical input field for brightness. 3. Adjust the slider or type in the desired brightness level. Changes will be reflected immediately on your screen. For Mac OS 1, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. 2. Select System Preferences. 3. Click on Displays. 4. Click the Displays tab if necessary. You'll find a brightness slider there. 5. Adjust the slider to your desired brightness level. Remember to save any changes made. If you are still having trouble finding the brightness controls, check your Nvision monitor's user manual. The manual will have detailed instructions specific to your model. Sometimes the location and function of the buttons can differ between models. If you've tried both the monitor's OSD and your computer's settings and still have issues, ensure your monitor cable is securely connected and try restarting both your computer and monitor.